Yeah. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. Please, I want to address what has been going on social media, on Facebook, concerning Pastor Godwin. I want to address it. Before, I wanted not to say anything about it. I wanted to keep mute, but what I had today, it was so painful. What I had that was coming out from this, my friend, Pastor Godwin. It was so very painful. And he was calling my prophets wicked man, evil man. It was very painful. You can't bite the finger I've fed you before. You can't bite it. Okay. Pastor Godwin, I heard that you said, and you are saying that nobody ordained you as a pastor. That nobody ordained you as a pastor. You're never a pastor. You are just a young man that has zeal for God, and it's just lying. Just imagine. Pastor Godwin, you were a pastor before you even came to Abundant Grace Power Church to meet the prophet. You were a pastor before. Even you had your own ministry as a pastor, pastoring one church, a ministry. You had your own ministry before at Ajangbadi, that sunny side, in this Lagos State, or Lagos State, after Alaba International. Anybody can go and verify. Anybody can go and verify. Even you once a member of Watchman. I will still play the voice note here. When you had having an issue with your wife, she will still say it with her mouth. You once a member of that church before, as a pastor. When you open your own ministry, you had some members that was coming to that your church. Even you told me yourself that when you leave, when you came to Abundant Grace Power Church and you closed down your ministry, now one of your members that time had nothing, even food, you had no food. That one of your members that time told you to leave Abundant Grace Power Church. He brought rice, bags of rice, tin tomatoes, oil, granite oil. He brought it to your house and told you that all these things belongs to you on one condition, that you will promise him that you will leave Abundant Grace Power Church, that will give you all these things on that December period. And you told him that you will never leave Abundant Grace Power Church. That's your former member, your own church. He collected everything and went home with it. Pastor Godwin, you're a pastor. I call you pastor. You say you want to go and arrest Governor Ozuoku. Leave Governor Ozuoku. Come and arrest me. You're a pastor. You're a pastor. Me and you came to that Abundant Grace Power Church same year. The same year. You told me yourself that you had nothing when you came to Abundant Grace Power Church. You are living in Face Me and Face You. When you came to Abundant Grace Power Church, you are living in Face Me and Face You. It was your mom that gave you the transport to come to Abundant Grace Power Church. It was your mom She was not a member there before she invited you. He said that somebody invited you. You did not want to go. Before your mom invites you, you came on a Monday afternoon, sorry. On a counseling day, you met with the prophet, the major prophet, Chisom Ujungu Ernest. He said that when he saw you, he started laughing. And you joined him to laugh at the devil. Oh. After he prayed for you, after his prayers, it did not take long, doors started opening for you. Even me, I'm a living testimony. When I came there, I had nothing. I can't bite finger that fed me. I can't. I know the kind of advice you have been giving to me to live Abundant Grace Power Church. I am not like you, and I will never be like you. I reject it. I will never. I can't bite the finger that fed me. When I came to that church, I had nothing. Even shop I no get. House I no get. A person house I dey sleep. And you are talking against sacrifice. It was that same sacrifice that brought you to the level you were before. You had nothing then. You talk against sacrifice. Everybody have their own mission. My father is a prophet. He's not an evangelist. He's not a pastor. He's a prophet. He have his own mandate. He cannot do like a pastor. God, he works with instruction. He works with instruction. You are saying that they told you to bring this one, bring that one, bring car, bring this one, bring that one. And they collected all your money. When you came to Abundant Grace Power Church, do you came there with anything? The house you are doing this one, that house, do you came to Abundant Grace Power Church with that house? You said they collected everything, collected your money, collected 5 million, collected this one. When you came to that church, that 5 million you get at that time. You get shishin. You get 1 naira at that time. You don't get anything. If you are living in face me, I slap you. No food. I know you very well. You are so close, like a brother. In that church. Sorry. You are very close, like a brother. When doors started opening for you, God connected you to men that matters. You started making money. The church started being on serious. Sunday service, you will not come. Thursday program, you will not come. Sometimes, if you come, like when the service will be closing, that was when you will be, when you start coming after church has closed. You started carrying women. My father, the major prophet Chisom Ujungu Ernest, is against it. I heard what you are saying. You are typing nonsense on your wall about me. I'm just laughing at you. I can never be you, and I can never behave like you. I'm a single brother. I'm not a married man. And I know I will still marry. When I marry, I will not behave like you. He say immoral church. Shy. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you, Pastor Godwin. Karma is coming. When God started blessing you so massively, you started carrying women. If anybody doubt this thing, go and verify. Come to Ojo. Come to Ojo. There's one hotel they call New Planet. There's where some prostitutes they go and look for customers. That place, they gave him them there. A pastor, they started calling him Odumeje. Go there, ask about Odumeje. New Planet. In Ojo. In Ojo. Ojo local government. Ojo, this Lagos state. Go and ask. Go and verify. They started calling him Odumeje. He will leave his family, leave his children, and we carry prostitute. Every night, every day, every day. A pastor. After all these things, you still come and carry mic. A pastor. And that same Ojo, our church is that same place you are living this kind of life. And people will be seeing you. People will be seeing you. The members of the church will be seeing you. The newcomers will be seeing you in that same place. In that new planet. If anybody can go and verify, go and verify. Evidence choke. Go and verify. There is one lady, one girl, apart from the one I will still play, one girl, one evil girl, he went and carried at New Planet. He said that he cooked. You told him that you are hungry. The girl went home and prepared vegetable soup for you, and you ate it. Since that time, you told me yourself, since that time, you not understand yourself again. After the girl cooked for you, you now started behaving. You told me that the girl will carry you and go to any place they are selling something. You go there, you'll be buying things for her. She still carry you, go to slot. You bought phone for her. Bought phone for you, her mom. Bought phone for many people. She will carry and go. When the major prophet Chisom Ujunwene saw that, he break that yoke out of your neck, and you made a promise to him that you will never live that kind of life again. If you try that kind of life, may God strike you with poverty. Is what you said. And the prophet prayed for you, and God should show you mercy and open doors for you. And God showed you mercy and opened doors for you again. That same want, and God opens small door for you. Bam! Carry another woman. Pia! Inside hotel. After that one, everything scattered. All your connections, everything scattered. Everything scattered. That house you are claiming, you are talking about, that particular house, it was this same prophet that made you to buy that land. So this same prophet that made you to start that building. That same prophet that made you to start that building. When you roofed the house, when everything was so tough for you, after you disobeyed, you now, because you cannot be able to pay for the flat again, you arrange, my prophet still help you, you arrange 2 rooms inside the place, and you took your wife and your children inside that place. One day, you came to Major Prophet Chisom Ujunwene, the founder of Abundant Grace Power Church. You brought the documents of that house, that same house. You brought the documents, everything. You took it to him. You told him to sell that property, that house you are claiming, you are living now. That place you are doing that video, you are jumping up and down doing video. You took the documents to the prophet. You told him to take the house, that you want to use it to sow a seed You gave the prophet that documents, and you knelt down for him to pray for you. He called you my son. Take it back. Take these documents back. God have seen your heart. Car. How many people will do it? How many people, how many men of God will do that? He gave you back the documents. He said, my son, take. Go and live in the house. Go and live there. I will not collect it from you. Take it. Go and live inside the house. You collected it back. That house, you finished that house since 2023. You finished everything. So one of the members of the church, Same Abundant Grace Power Church, was the one that came to do wiring for that house and did paraffin light in that your house. I came to that your house one day. You have finished everything. Did all the whole doors, all the whole windows. You have finished everything. You have finished everything. I came to your place. You brought chair outside. We sat down. And we discussed before I left your place. What that make you to leave Abundant Grace Power Church was when my father, the prophet, the major prophet, Chisom Jungwenes, he wanted to surprise one of his pastors. He bought a car, RS 300 Lexus. He wanted to surprise one of his pastors. And he told you to go and carry the car. That was on Saturday. Even me, I was not aware of it. I was in my house. You are the one that called me, Pastor Godwin. You are the one that called me that you are coming to my place, that you want to show me something. I said, okay, I'm in the house, you can come. You came to my place and you showed me the car. I was like, you don't buy another car? He said, man, I test it. I entered the motor, we drove, he came back. He now told me what it came about. And it was daddy that bought it. He wanted to give it out. We are in my parlor that day. I told you that this car, he will give it to Pastor Emma. He said, no. I saw your face, that I saw your mood. He said, no. That daddy will give it to his father. Because his father came around that time. I said, no. And my spirit is telling me that this car belongs to Pastor Emma. He said, let's watch and see. So that Sunday, the major prophet Chisom Jungwenes gave the boss, the RS 300 to Pastor Emma. Your mood changed immediately. You are having in mind that that car will be given to you. That Pastor Emma had been in that Abundant Grace Power Church before you came. He had been there since how many years? And God gave him the RS, and you were angry. From that day, from that moment, your mood changed, your wife's mood changed, everything that concerns you people changed automatically. You don't even attend anything again. From that day, you commit another one again before daddy gave you suspension. On that suspension, you say you don't want to be a pastor again. You now drop. From that one, you stop coming to Abundant Grace Power Church. And you said you don't have any problem with the prophet. Have you forgotten that there is something you said about the prophet that made us involve police on your matter? And we came to your place with police, and the case still they registered by the police station. You say you don't have any issue with your pastor. It's a lie. That you even came to Abundant Grace Power Church to come and plead for mercy, for God to forgive you. The video, everything is here. We have everything. Even your wife. All the things she said. People came to Abundant Grace to apologize. People came to apologize. Have you forgotten? You say you don't have any issue with the man of God. Is the sacrifice, this one, sacrifice that one. All lies. All the evidence, I have them. Everything there. All the thing, everything, we have it. This life you are living, biting finger that fed you. Biting finger that fed you. You have forgotten that karma is real. Karma is real. It's real. All this thing you are doing, you are looking for who will help you. You are just a frustrated person looking for who will help you. You are shouting this one, shouting that one. That's the kind of person you are. When you get what you want now, bam, you start talking against that church now. That church you are shouting now, singing praises. You are just looking for who will help you. Who will say, this guy, they are all lies. That church, you will still do the same thing. You will still do the same thing. You will still do it. Even this immoral life. I have some voice note I would like to play now. You should not be angry. I'm inside my car, and the light is somehow this thing.
Not tarnish your image.
No, don't spoil. No, this is the same thing you do for Washman where I stopped and go Washman.
If they do bad thing, I report you. And they report you to person when they talk to you.
This is his wife.
They talk to you, you know they
and
like
him.
If they like me, they do that bad thing. They like them. You know they like me that they advise you. They like to commit sin, and the sin they sweet you well if they commit them.
As in the report did you report yourself?
Did I report myself? What did I do?
Did you report yourself?
What did I do?
You when your husband will talk 1, you will talk 50.
I not talk any 50.
You when your husband they give you anything for your own house. Did you report yourself?
I not give you any headache. Oh. Heaven is my witness. I not give you a headache. I have been trying. Daddy don't talk to us. Since when Daddy talk, I have been trying to be a good wife. But you didn't make things hard for me.
You have been trying.
You didn't make things hard for me.
No one.
I've been trying.
Chebi, that day, I hear for you him out. They told the talk. He said, after he go send them, they take care of you. After he go send them, they take care of you.
Maybe you don't go report for all of them for new planet. Say your wife, they give you headache.
That's a new planet.
Did I tell her anything?
That's a new planet.
I was shocked.
I no go shock. Now you they go judgment. Now you they go judgment. You don't spoil me finish for all of them for new planets.
After you go say, they take care of you. But say they shine.
You spoil me for all of them. Go tell and say your wife no they give you rest of mind. You don't spoil me for all the people that waiting for new planets finish. That's why you spoil me for Sandra. Tell her my
Sandra.
Say I know they make you get rest of mind for
house.
You spoil me for that one before you enter Jezebel. You don't spoil me for them.
That's the same person I told you people about.
Don't spoil me for all of them. Maybe you and
Jezebel.
Panama don't get issue now because of Jezebel. You and Panama don't get issue.
Okay.
So you have had it. That's Sandra, a married man. A married man. A married man. The Sandra, we have all the whole evidences. You're a pastor. You have girlfriends. You have harlots. And you are doing it openly. Just imagine. This is not the only voice note. Let me play another one for you people. Okay. Okay.
The man don't tell you. Please, I don't want you to spoil my image. Before you move on. Image. Because you are spoiling my image.
I think they spoil your image.
You are spoiling my image.
I'm not spoil your image. Now,
you don't make me uncomfortable for just where they go.
I'm not make you uncomfortable.
You know they make me even to stay inside the church now. But they make me uncomfortable. No, you don't make me uncomfortable for house. They don't make me uncomfortable for church.
Yeah, not make you uncomfortable for your house. When you live for Jalaban compound, you say now one room. Now because now one room, you know they feel sleep for house. You torment me. Even for this girl, Bele. You torment me, till I born. The day when I born, gone. That day when I born, you know sleep for house. And they torment you as I don't just born finish. And they torment you.
The day when you born, I don't sleep for house. So the hospital me here today.
Yeah, no be here I shall follow me sleep for hospital. When we come out, no be here I shall follow me sleep for house. Did you sleep home that day?
So if I get where to go, I don't go.
You get where to go now.
Huh? No, they ask you.
It is I not see all those evidence where I not keep.
If I don't get where, if I get where to go,
where you get to
so I don't go the place. Huh? So
the voice note, you can hear.
I cannot go and monitor the job again.
You know they monitor any job. Me and you know say you know they go monitor any job.
I don't go monitor any job.
Now only when you want go deliver motor, now you they go think and.
Okay.
You know they go work.
Okay, the one I go on Thursday, I don't go work.
How many times you they go work?
Okay, the one I go on Thursday, I don't go work again.
You work. You they give somebody to work.
Okay, the one I go on Thursday, I don't go work. Huh? My own call the board myself.
They come, Ashebi, you know how to call, you know how to bring people, gather people.
No, you don't know how to gather people. Let me, my call.
You they do bad thing and they tell people will go feel happy. You don't want to be safe. You they enjoy what they do.
No, I don't want to be safe. They tell people.
You don't want to be safe. Say, man.
Okay. As you have had it, okay? You have had it. A married man, and he's jumping up and down. He's jumping up and down. Brother, let me tell you, all these things you are doing, all these things, it will never help you. It will never. It will never. Biting finger that fed you. Even this man you call evil, this one, that one, when they plan to kill your wife with pregnancy, they drop charm in her shop. It was this same prophet that God still used to break that yoke. He told you to bring that bottle for him. You can confirm. You brought it to church and God, he prayed and that bottle broke. Your wife's picture was inside. Her children's picture was inside. And they cross inside the bottle. He did charm to kill your wife and children. And unborn baby. And God still used this prophet to scatter that charm. And those people that did it started dying one after the other. All the whole testimony, everything there. And you say you want to go and arrest Governor Ezioku. Leave the Governor Ezioku. Come and arrest me. All the evidences, I have them. You say you're not a pastor. Nobody done you say. It's a lie. You are a pastor. You are a pastor. You had your own ministry before you came to Abundant Grace Power Church. You are a pastor. So stop all this nonsense. Stop all this nonsense. Stop all this nonsense. All those they are doing in that church now, you are doing. It's because you are looking for attention, looking for who will help you. You are looking for who will start sorting your bills. That's the kind of person you are. That's the kind of person you are. You are looking for attention. You will still commit there. Yes, I know. You will still commit there. You will still commit there. I know all you told me, but particular. I know. I know. All the evil you told me. But I will never betray my father. If I did, anytime I try it, let me die. I will never betray him. The finger that fed me, the finger that saved my life, I will never try it. Anytime I dream of it, they may die. I know all you have told me to do this one, to do that one. I will never be like you. A man of God, God used to make you to see light. All the whole battles he fought for you, I know them. All the whole things he done for you, what you used to pay him back is evil. With your own mistake. This is what you want to use to pay him back. God will reward you. Thank you. Let's share this video. Let it get to you. I'm waiting for your response. I'm waiting for your police. I'm waiting for all the whole this thing you want to use. I'm waiting for them. I'm waiting. You say you want to charge them for this one, for that one. Charge me. Come and charge me direct. And send this message to you, Pastor Godwin. One day, Godwin. Before you are answering evangelist. From evangelist, you enter to pastor. Come and carry me. Come and carry me to court. Come on. Let's go there. I'm waiting for you. Leave all the whole bloggers. Come and face me. Come and face me. Come and face me direct. Thank you.